Okay, everyone, good work. In this lesson, we learned some terms and vocabulary relating to consumption. We watched the Story of Stuff video and discussed it a bit. We did a comparing and contrasting writing exercise, and we practiced our speaking through a dialogue. Now, as with every lesson, there are some extension activities, and feel free to do any of these, all of these, or none of these. All of these documents are as all the documents in the lesson are available in the Google Drive, uh, and feel free to access those. And with respect to any of the writing or any of the exercise you want feedback on, please feel free to send it to me at in the Facebook group at Terra Promise, or at the Terra Promise email, which is terrapromise.earthstewards@gmail.com. So, good work. I'll see you in lesson 5.